Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a new pumping tutorial 2026 designed for mothers who want a smooth, comfortable, and well-organized pumping routine in daily life. For many mothers, pumping becomes an important part of balancing feeding, work, travel, and daily responsibilities. Creating the right routine can make the process feel much easier and less stressful. Before starting your session, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and correctly assembled. Good hygiene is one of the most important parts of safe milk collection and storage. Next, choose a calm and comfortable place where you can relax for a few minutes. A peaceful environment often helps your body respond more naturally during pumping. Before using the pump, some mothers like to gently massage the area or use a warm cloth for a short time. This simple preparation may help support smoother milk flow and make the session feel more comfortable. Now place the pump correctly and begin slowly. If you are using an electric pump, start with a gentle stimulation mode or low suction level. If you are using a manual pump, use a slow and steady rhythm instead of rushing. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying calm and patient is important because your body often responds better when you feel relaxed. During pumping, try to maintain a comfortable and consistent rhythm. Avoid changing settings too frequently or increasing suction too quickly. A smooth and steady session usually works best. Some mothers also use gentle hand support during pumping to help improve flow and make sessions more effective. It is also important to pay attention to comfort. If something feels uncomfortable, pause and make small adjustments to the position or settings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.